Hiya YouTubers, it's a Superman G come back at you one more again. And this video is going to come as a request by two of my subscribers who asked me about how do they go about connecting another drive to their computer. And there are a couple of steps you have to do in order to make this happen. First of all, you need the drive itself, and you need either a USB to SATA cable or another SATA cable that will allow the drive to be connected to the motherboard. Now when you do this, you can do it this way, but you also have to do it the software way, where you have to get into Windows in order to have Windows recognize the drive. It's not just plug and play and turn on the computer and Windows recognizes it. You have to actually get the software, whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 11, to recognize the drive and to get it set up. And I'm going to show you how to do that. In this example, I will be connecting the 1 terabyte solid state drive via the USB to SATA cable connection. This is for external only and not internal. Make certain to check the orientation of both the cable and the drive to make sure that you connect them correctly. They will only connect one way, so there's really no mistake in connecting them incorrectly. After you've connected the drive and the cable together, head over to your computer and connect the USB end of the cable to a USB port on your computer. For better and faster speeds, make certain that it's connected into a USB 3.0 port if you have one available. After you've connected the drive, you should get a notification sound from your computer. To your Windows taskbar and type in the word format in the search bar area. You will see create and format hard disk partitions. Click on that. The disk management window will open and initialize disk window will also open. This is how Windows will determine that you have a new drive installed and you wish to make it available. So leave everything the same and click on OK. Now you're at the disk management window where it shows you every disk that is connected to your computer. Now if you don't see a disk at the top, then all you have to do is scroll down at the second pane, or the pane that's below what you're seeing, and you should see where it says unallocated, the size of the drive, which is 953.85 gigabytes. This is the new drive that we just connected to the computer. Now you can't use it yet, but at least Windows recognizes it. With your mouse over the drive, right click on it and select New Simple Volume. Welcome to the new Simple Volume wizard would appear. This wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. A simple volume can only be used on a single disk. To continue, click Next. This is to specify the volume size. You don't have to change anything here, so just leave everything the way it is and select Next. From here, you can assign a drive letter to the drive. To make a selection of which letter to assign a drive, click on the down arrow and select any of the available letters. In this example, I'm going to select the letter X. Click Next. Format partition. You can pretty much leave everything the way it is right now. The only change that you can make on this that I will suggest you make is to change the volume label. If you want to change the name of the drive, this is where you would do it. In this case, I'm going to rename it Extended Drive. This is so the drive will be easier for you to know where the drive is or which drive it is in your list of other drives. Click Next when done. Complete a new Simple Volume wizard summary window will appear next, and if everything looks correct to you and okay, click Finish. The computer will format the drive, assigning the drive letter, and give it the name that you've chosen it, and from there, the drive is now ready for you to use. You can close out the disk management window, go down to the Windows Explorer, click on that. And you should now be able to see all of your available drives, including the new drive that you just installed. And that's it. That's all you have to do to get a new drive connected to your computer. And it's that simple. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.